Remove all parts and materials from the box. Check if there is any missing parts against the included checklist. Insert wood dowel into the holes provided onto the boards. Use screwdriver to screw minifix bolt onto board A, B, C, E1, E2, F1, F2, G, and M. Place slide in its correct direction. Then, install 3 metal drawer slide CL onto board A, slide CR onto board B using Euro screw M5. Use CSK screw M5 to attach board H and I to board J referring to the line. Then attach board K to board J using CSK screw M5. Insert minifix cam into the hole provided onto the board K. Insert board Z and then use minifix cam to attach board G into the drawer's body. Install metal drawer slide DL and DR onto the back of the drawer body using CSK screw M3.5. Repeat the step to build another 5 drawers. Attach board E1 and E2 to board M using minifix cam. Attach board F1 and F2 to board M using minifix cam. Attach 2 board D to board E1 and 1 board D to board F1 using minifix cam. Attach board A with 2 board L using minifix cam. Then, attach the inner part to board A using minifix cam. Attach 2 board D to board E2 and 1 board D to board F2 using minifix cam. Attach board B to cabinet's body using minifix cam. Install metal drawer slide CL and CR onto cabinet's body using Euro screw M5. Attach board C to the cabinet's body using minifix cam. Hit plastic leg stud to the bottom of the cabinet's body. Install both board Y to the back of the cabinet's body using nail. Congratulations! You have assembled your chest drawer.